InnoSight revealed a powerful insight. Average tenure of a company on the S&P 500 was 33 years in 1965, but it decreased to 24 years in 2016. And now it's been projected to shrink down to 12 years by 2027. Why? This decline is due to the increased competitions, technological disruption, and failure to innovate. This transformation camp, we put together senior business leaders from Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, Thailand, and Bangladesh. Together, we identified business problems, opportunities, and developed different business cases which can enable those businesses to create business breakthrough. So how can we respond? According to UNY, develop innovative solutions and understand the broader business landscape is the lifeline of a business now. According to KPMG, ability to guide teams through change with strong communication and conflict resolution skills is a big factor. And we did not just stop there. Then we put our brain and expertise together to develop the step-by-step execution plan for their business model to make it more effective and more profitable. So at the end of the camp, each of the business leaders had their breakthrough business case ready with an execution plan to present to the board of directors. Are we looking to identify, develop, and deploy a breakthrough factor for your business model? Let's have a conversation. Are you looking to make your workforce more productive and effective? Yes, right? So then I have a great news for you. So check out the description section of this video. There is a bunch of scorecard for you. So what is this scorecard for? So those scorecard can help you to assess different aspects of your workforce present situation. And then when you take the scorecard, you will get understanding of your present situation. You will get industry benchmarks. And not only that, you will also receive our expert advice as well too, so you can tackle them and make your workforce more productive and effective as well too. And one more great thing, there is no fees for scorecards, so feel free to use and also share to your friends and other colleagues as well too. And if you need more our help, so check the also description section. There is a link for us where you can book an appointment with our expert to have a conversation as well too. Are you a business or HR leader? Then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.